Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get an American accent in 11 Loves. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your text-to-speech, which is right here. And now that you're here, what you will do is you will just have to choose the voice that you want. So go to your voice library and you will look for American voice so that you will get that American accent that you want. So as you can see, this one right here, it has the American accent. So what you will do is, of course, add it to your voices so that you will be able to add it to your speech. So by the way, you have to make sure to upgrade your subscription so that you will be able to actually add a lot of voices to your saved voices. And once you've added your American voice, what you will do is basically just look for it again from your voices, save voices. So you will just have to click it, and then once you click it or selected it, you will basically just have to generate speech so that you will be able to listen to the preview. And again, just wait for it to load.
Hello, ElevenLabs.
And once you're satisfied with the voice, what you will have to do is just click the download button right here. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.